When a customer brings in a worn-out fan drive, the quickest way to get them back on the road is through a direct replacement, such as a new or reman fan drive. But in a pinch, a repair kit might be the way to go. Hi, I'm Mat Stahl, on-highway product manager here at Horton. When you hear the word repair kit, you might cringe. It's often overly complex, way too many part numbers, and it takes a long time to figure out which is the correct one. Horton has engineered out some of those headaches with this new simplified Deem Advantage repair kit offering. This new offering has 2.56 and 5-inch pilots, so it fits both those types of fans, and that eliminates the need to figure out which one is correct. It also reduces the number of parts that you need to have on your shelf. It comes with pre-assembled components, making installation fast and easy. Each kit includes Horton's signature jack bearing, which has the highest temperature and load ratings, ensuring extra long life. These are the same jack bearings that are included in OEM production, ensuring you get the reliability and durability that you expect. Lastly, these kits include the tools that are required for the repair, so no more searching through your toolbox to find a specific Torx bit or cage nut. Simply put, these kits are simple. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit hortonww.com/kits and be sure to punch subscribe on our YouTube channel.